Rammstein. I haven't posted anything in a couple weeks. I've been really busy. A lot of stuff working with pallets. And I decided to make a guitar out of one of these. Still a work in progress. It's almost finished though, so we'll go inside and take a look at it. So I made a lap steel slide guitar. Here it is. As you see, still some work to finish, and that's, I'll go over those details in a minute. First, I'm just going to plug it in and play it. And this is my first time making one and my first time playing one, so bear with me. After that, I'll go over some of the details in the build. Alright, so this was made with just a 2x4. Sanded it down, gave it some burning to finish it, some designs. That's a acoustic guitar sound hole pickup, and I just put nails in place to hold it because I'm still kind of adjusting little details before I figure out how to permanently put it in. Same with the bridges, the bridge and the nut. These are just big bolts, and I'm going to cut those down. I got to get a blade from my angle grinder, cut them to size, and again, these are kind of, they're still moving. That's why there's a rubber band there for now. I'm trying to figure out the exact placement I want it at. I'm thinking of putting a string retainer or like a string tree here. So that's where that carve out is, or it could just be for design. We'll see how that works or if it's needed. These are all 6 inline tuners that I got off an old guitar neck. So they're going backwards on one side, but it's not a problem. It's really easy to remember. I did make a prototype first. It was just 3 strings, kind of like this, and put a piezo buzzer pickup. And it had an interesting sound, especially with like a bow. So I'm going to have something else I have in mind to make next. The problem I had with that is I just drilled holes for the strings. It's string through body. And those ball ends were, it's pine wood, it's a soft wood, so it starts digging into the wood every time you tighten the tension, so it was not stable at all for tuning. So I hammered out some pieces of copper from copper pipe and did that there. And this part's more decorative. I think I might patina that to like a nice blue-green color. But yeah, other than putting the pickup in place and the bolts, pretty much finished. I'm happy with it. Also the string spacing I'm going to play with a little bit. I've seen some tricks to put retainers as well if it's having a problem staying in place. Because I made the spacing pretty wide for the pickup. It's kind of hard to get. It should be a little bit closer. I can fix that though, so the pickup's, it's in the magnetic field of the pickup. I do have some normal like humbuckers and other pickups, so I'm also considering putting a normal pickup in and a volume and tone pot. We'll see. So far though, I like the sound of this, I have to say. I'm going to be doing some new instruments like this, some pretty cool ideas I have. Give this video a like. If this video gets enough likes, I'll do a tutorial on that, a walkthrough on how I build it. So that's it for this. I mean, I'll do some updates on this once it's fine-tuned and hopefully learn to play it a bit better. Also, last thing for a slide, I tried everything. A bottle, it's hard to wield. I don't have a lap steel slide, so I found this arm from an old drum from a tom, And it works. It's got a funky weight, but kind of a funky way to hold it. But it's working for now until I find something better. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, hit like, hit that bell notification if you want to see more videos like this. Till next time.